Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Going to rise on board.
Hi guys, it's your girl Maria. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're officially a part of my YouTube family, and if you're old here, you already know what goes on here, and I'm glad you have not unsubscribed. Anyways guys, so what sorry guys, sorry about that. Anyways, today I am going to visit, not necessarily visit, I'm going to stay with my cousin for a few days. Yep. And then like this whole week I have a lot planned out, so I just decided to do something like a weekly vlog. Yeah, something like that. Although Monday isn't going to be a part of it, but like, let me call it a weekly vlog. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get ready this morning. I already have my things packed because like, yeah, I have my things all packed and I'm ready to go. So first of all, I'm not going to go directly to her place. We're going to stop off at the bank, and then after the bank, before we head off to her place. Yeah guys, so just stay tuned. I have my outfit ready, like what I'm going to wear to go to her place. So I'm just gonna take my bath and then I'll get dressed and then we'll go. Yeah.
If there's another universe, please make some noise. Give me a sign. This can't be life. If there's a point to losing love, repeating pain, it's all the same. I hate this place, stuck in this paradigm. Don't believe in paradise.
Hi guys, so I'm done getting ready. As the video goes on, you guys will see the full fits, but for now this is just me. Yep, you can see the hair is hairy. So we're going to order the bowl, then we'll leave to the bank. Yeah, then from the bank we'll get a car and then head over to my cousin's place, which is at East Legon. Yeah guys, so let's go. Guys, so we are at the saloon now and we just ordered the boat. It will arrive in 4 minutes. Yeah. We'll arrive in 4 minutes. Yeah, so we're waiting for the boat to arrive.
When you they move, see green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got the money console. Anything you wish me.
Girls want me, but like you, I want to know, I don't know. Shady got this kind thing with tomato, moo. Oh no, no. Now the little good things you do make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Oh baby, come. Oh girl, I wanna make me this. I feel like making you. Oh no, I feel like making you. Oh baby, I know, no good.
So guys, we are in the car now and we are on our way to my cousin's place. Yep.
Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I put enough for petty dudes. I put enough enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my way. Like I did these broken clocks.
Hi guys, so we're here now. Anything that happens, throughout the rest of the day, you guys are going to see as the video goes on. Yeah, bye. Everybody say hi. Hi. Say hi. Oh. Alright guys, so we're about to play Uno. Yeah. Uno. So I just want you guys to know that I'm going to win before I win. So yeah. The camera. Say hi.
Man, you see how
I do.
you were the one putting it there for me. You didn't help me to take one long.
Hi guys, so we've done a lot today. We played games. Later on in the evening, we went to the supermarket to buy some bread. Yeah, and then we came back and made something to eat. Like, we've done a lot, guys, and now we're coming to watch a movie.
About 2 days, don't wait. Been about 3 years since I dated you. Why you still talking about me like we together? I moved on for the better. You moved on to whoever. I was down for whatever and then some. You gon' make me late to work again. Ooh, better day than yesterday. Ooh, I just take it day by day. Ooh, never hearing what they say. Ooh, I just do it my. I did these broken clocks.
Hi guys, good morning. Yesterday night we watched movies till we fell asleep. Yep. So this morning the plan for today is that we'll eat some breakfast. After eating some breakfast, then we'll go and do a little shopping. When we get back, we're making a pizza. A homemade pizza, guys. Yep, that's the plan for today. I don't know, maybe something else might happen along the line, so you guys just stay tuned, watch and see. Yeah, love you guys. So guys, I'm just going to my face care routine, and then I'll go and get some breakfast to eat and stuff like that. Yep, and brush my mouth, of course. Yes, bye guys.
Say I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Are you fucking on my main boy? Are you blaming?
Guys, so we are now doing shopping. My cousin said she'll do the shopping so we can go and look around. Yeah, so we're just looking around. If we see anything we like, then we'll grab it. Yeah, guys, see, Adishi die. Guys, so I found where the teddy bears are. Oh my gosh, look at my babies. Look at my babies, look at my babies. Oh, this one is so cute. So guys, we are taking the elevator. If you are taking the elevator, you have to knock first. This boy is not serious. And so I press the button. Oroma, Oroma. Enter Muto. How am I singing a Kenzie song?
1, 2.
Which someone? So if it opens, the person will know that I'm videoing it.
Nobody sees that.
Maybe still I don't. It's not like
It's making me hungry. Are you able to stop acting like villagers?
But that's it.
This is your first time entering the elevator. I found me, I do my Hi guys, so now we are making a pizza. Yep. So we made some cookies. Yeah.
I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday, we made our pizza, we baked, we did a whole lot. After that we played games, yep, and then we got tired and we went to bed, guys. So this morning I don't know what we have planned out, but whatever will happen, you guys are going to know as the video goes on. Yep. So I woke up this morning and it's really cold, and what I have to wear is not something with sleeves on, so I feel like I should wear what I was wearing yesterday, the top with the sleeves. Yep, because I'm feeling extremely cold and I'm not coming to fall sick or anything, so I'm definitely gonna wear it. Alright guys, we are going out so we can see what we'll eat for breakfast and stuff. Bye.
Seriously.
Hi guys, good morning, good morning. So yesterday we didn't really do anything much. Yeah, it was just we were just indoors and we we ate breakfast, we ate lunch, and we ate dinner. We watched some movies. Yep, that was just it. But today we have stuff planned out. Yep, my cousin wants to get a few things from an art center, so we're going to follow him. And then after that, I have a nail appointment. Yeah, the nail appointment is around 12, but like I really want to go with them to the art center, so I wanted to see how I could reschedule my appointments to 1 o'clock. Yeah, guys. So, alright, guys. But I hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. I really know that as the video is going on, you guys are going to love it even more. Yep. So, just enjoy the video, guys. Thank you for watching. So this is the outfit for the day. Yep. Oh, don't worry, I'll do my hair. I'll definitely do my hair. I just want to go and eat something. I forgot to tell you guys, I don't feel so well. Yeah, I have a slight cold, but I'm sure it will go with time. Yep. Okay guys, so let's go see what we can get for breakfast.
Body, crib, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up the phone when you alone. All I ever asked was you to show me some love, kisses and hugs. No, I never had an issue. Go to the club with your boys, baby. I never wanted you to stay too long. Just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady. You ain't been calling me baby. Boy, you can go stop playing games, playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind and that you want this bad, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all, but flex in front of your friends. How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture, can't put.
Just give me my money.
Just give me my money.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Big man wait to be what's it gonna be? Chihuahua, all depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gonna be? Chihuahua, all depends. The captain, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you.
Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday we went to the art shop to get a few art stuffs because my cousin needed them, and then I had a new appointment as I told you guys, but then the new appointment was shifted to today, 12 o'clock. Yeah, and it's 9:22 right now, so I have to like get ready because we are leaving this morning to my house. Yeah, we are leaving today to my house, so like we have to get ready quickly so that we could get home in time for me to leave for my appointment. Yeah guys, so I'm just gonna get ready and then we'll leave.
He no finish, them won't fight us. If them they run, them no fit catch up. I know they from say I too righteous. No come they from say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my mind. Make you dance like steady clean like bro.
Hi guys, so we just left my cousin's place and we are on our way home now. Yeah guys, so when I get home then I'll take a car and go for my nail appointment. Alright, bye guys.
Yeah, he did rush well, he much. Behind everybody, he close. Hold on,
Hi guys, so I'm on my way to get my nails done.
You never thought.
Hi guys, I'm sorry I couldn't video when I was doing my nails, but let me just show you guys how good it looks. Yeah guys, look at that. The lady is really nice and she ate. Like guys, she ate. Look at this. It's so pretty. Let me show you guys the other hand. Guys, see the other hand. This is so pretty. This is really pretty. Yeah guys, so she ate guys. She left no crumbs. She ate. So I'll put her information down there for you guys. Yeah, so if you're interested in doing your nails, you can go to her and she will kill it. Yeah guys, so right now I'm on my way home. It's 5:38. Let's just be I get home around 6 something because I'm really tired. Hi guys, hi my babies, hi my lovies. So I'm home now, and as I said earlier on, I love my nails. Yeah guys, so we've come to the end of the vlog. The week hasn't ended yet. Tomorrow is Sunday, but I have nothing to vlog about tomorrow, so I'm just gonna end my week. Yeah guys, so we've come to the end of the vlog, and I really hope you guys loved it because I feel like I love it. Yeah. So thank you all for watching this video from beginning to the end. Please like, comment and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.